This is a chatbot that I built for classification the AI model and use one input, for example, a history message that refers to Napoleon Wars, and we can classify to one neuronal network only with a principal input. Sends a message such as a strange history message. The neural network one, Jesper, will analyze this message and determine what neural network will be sent it this message. First of all, we need a fast API. No, no, that fast API. This fast API. We need to create a API in OpenRouter. In this case, the AI model for programming will be coherent or Minicode, and we are going to create an endpoint in your API that is an endpoint for post. We are going to pass the input.test and the categories to the Hugging Face Expert 1 model, and the expert analyze this input and will determine what is the score of the match. We are going to take the category with the highest score previously of the Hugging Face the analysis, and we are going to activate a function that is the, in this case, the API key of the programming model. And this is your function of programming AI model. As you can see, we basis the model coherent or Minicode and the API key. In this case is the punto environment, and we take the exit with this cycle that will pass the input uh, with a animation, and the next and final step is create another conditional for the another category that is reasoning. In this category is the same architecture and function. We utilize the same model because I don't find another free, and we pass the input with the same way, and after create a frontend very basic for this project, we have this chatbot with my architecture.